Hello, this is a YouTube question saying you should post a video with mic close to machine and off, idle and load state. And here it is.
Right now it's spinning at 1000, around 2000 RPMs. Okay, so let's bring it up. Let's go to 6000 RPMs. This is 6000 RPMs. It's recording right beside the microphone on the MacBook Pro itself. The room is very quiet. I'm bouncing the noise off a hard table, so it is louder than you think, but it is audible when it spins at 6000 RPMs. Let's bring it down to 4000. So this is 4000 RPMs. It's quieter, but it is still audible. And we'll bring it down to normal settings. This is what it is spinning when the temperatures of the CPU reaches 60 degrees Celsius, 2000. And there you go, the sound noise of the MacBook Pro when the fan is running.